화가 나서
Thank you for the ice cream cone.
아이스크림을 던져버리는데
Find out where she and Becca are. Because she won't tell me if I ask. Okay.
차를 세우더니
Give me your phone.
Okay.
Now lean towards me and put your head on my shoulder.
Sure.
Shh, don't fight it. Don't fight it.
Oh, it's Kat.
해신 척하는데
Hey, Kat, what's up?
Are you and Beck having fun?
Not too much fun.
So where are you guys right now?
We're at some food truck near Melrose and La Brea.
Okay.
어디 있는지 알아내고는
You didn't sound anything like me.
Tori believed it was you. You go,
I don't laugh like that.
Puppy's wearing sunglasses.
정말 비슷하네요.